Hey everyone, and welcome to Minute's Review. Today we're taking a delicious dive into the fascinating history of sushi. From its humble beginnings as a fermented fish dish to the global culinary phenomenon it is today, sushi's journey is as unique and flavorful as the food itself. Ancient origins. Our story starts not in Japan, but in Southeast Asia around the 2nd century BC. Back then, people living near rivers and lakes needed a way to preserve their fish catch. They discovered that packing fish in salted rice not only kept it from spoiling, but also created a tangy, umami-rich flavor. This early form of sushi, called narazushi, was all about preserving food, and the rice itself wasn't actually eaten. Transformation in Japan. Sushi made its way to Japan around the 8th century. And that's where things got interesting. The Japanese adopted the narazushi technique, but started using vinegar instead of fermentation to speed up the process. This led to the development of asushi, which was still fermented, but for a shorter time, making the rice edible. Fast forward to the Edo period, 1603-1868, and sushi took another major leap forward. Enter Hanaya Yohei, a street food vendor credited with inventing Nigiri sushi, the hand-pressed sushi we know and love today. He used vinegared rice and fresh seafood, creating bite-sized portions that were perfect for on-the-go eating. This innovation made sushi accessible to the masses and laid the foundation for its modern popularity, evolution, and global appeal. Over the centuries, sushi continued to evolve, with new regional variations and styles emerging. From the delicate Maki rolls of Osaka to the melt-in-your-mouth Unae sea urchin of Hokkaido, there's a sushi style for every palate. And in the 20th century, sushi's global conquest began. Japanese chefs introduced their culinary art to the world, and sushi restaurants started popping up everywhere, from New York to London to Sydney. Sushi today. Today, sushi is more than just food. It's an experience, it's a celebration of fresh ingredients, skilled preparation, and beautiful presentation. It's a social event, a shared meal that brings people together. And it's a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the human spirit. So, there you have it, the incredible history of sushi, from its humble origins to its global stardom. Sushi's journey is a reminder that the simplest ideas can evolve into something truly extraordinary. If you're a sushi lover like me, I encourage you to explore the different styles and flavors out there. And who knows, maybe you'll even discover your own favorite sushi story. What's your favorite type of sushi? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures.